what's happening today is that every company has to kind of take a stop and say, hey, what does my company culture look like? Company culture is the collective mindset and attitude of my employees. Let me just tell you, the annual employee survey is a waste of time. You cannot expect to understand the mindset of your employees once a year. It's completely contrived. It's completely made up. And then companies spend a whole year trying to fix stuff. The one thing that you've got to understand is that you need a constant pulse of how your employees are feeling and know that culture moves, which means that mindset is constantly shifting with people coming into the company. And I think that's where companies struggle a little, because what I'll tell you is that those mechanisms, whether it's your values, your purpose, all of those things are up for debate. Just as everything around us is moving faster and faster, don't be afraid to look internally and be willing to admit and understand what you did for your employees 5 years ago may not be what your employees want today, and that's okay. So you have to become more nimble internally and understand that the customer that you should be most focused on is your employee. And that is the difference. The number one customer you focus on is your employees. Take care of them, and they'll take care of everything else.